The overall goal of this zirconium phosphate synthesis by 3 methods and its exfoliation is to obtain various aspect ratio nanoplatelets which can serve as a model Discotic liquid crystal system.
This method can help answer key questions in the synthesis of different sized zirconium phosphate and the exfoliation techniques field, such as how to control the aspect ratio of the zirconium phosphate by various synthesis methods, and importantly, how to obtain nearly monodispersed zirconium phosphate nanoplatelets.
The main advantage of the technique that we demonstrated is that we're able to obtain zirconium phosphate nanoplates of sizes ranging from 200 nanometer to 2000 nanometers with good control on polydispersity.
Though this method provides insight into liquid crystal model materials, it can also be applied to other systems, such as pickling emulsifiers.
To synthesize alpha zirconium phosphate using the hydrothermal method, dissolve 6 grams of zirconyl chloride octahydrate in 3.75 milliliters of deionized water in a beaker. Add 48 milliliters of 15 molar phosphoric acid into a Teflon-lined pressure vessel, followed by 8.25 milliliters of water. Then, add the zirconyl chloride solution dropwise to the phosphoric acid solution under vigorous stirring. Place the vessel into a hydrothermal autoclave composed of a stainless steel shell, pressure plate, and lid, and then tighten it well.